हालींच साध्वी सरस्वतीन बीफ खातल्यांक फाशी दिवची म्हणजे वादग्रस्त विधान केल्लें ताचेर गोंय सरकार अजून ओगी कित्याक काय म्हण प्रश्न काँग्रेसीचे प्रवक्ते यतीश नायकान केला. सरकार ओगी रावन साध्वीक प्रोत्साहन दिता म्हण नायक उलयला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
That Sadhvi came here. She said she came from somewhere outside the state. She came here and she made a statement that those who eat beef should be hanged. What action government has taken against her? Isn't her statement amounting to incitement on the ground of religious sentiments? Isn't her statement, isn't her statement worth a criminal act under the penal code? Why the government has not acted? Why the government is keeping quiet? By keeping quiet, isn't the government shielding that Sadhvi? You see, this government is only for lip service. This government is a government which is most insensitive and useless government. And this useless government is not doing anything worthwhile. These kind of people, this Sadhvi came here, made this statement, government did not act. It shows that this government has no purpose, has no agenda of governance. Now these desecrations and things like this is happening. Thefts are on the rise, robberies are on the rise, crime is on the rise. Where is this government? Where is the law enforcement machinery of this government? What are the police doing? Where are they? You see, these are serious questions, and this government has to act. There's no point in just talking, but this government is busy breaking the law themselves. Sadhvi's case, if government had any respect for the rule of law, government would have booked an FIR against that Sadhvi. By failing to book an FIR against that Sadhvi, this government has exposed itself as being a most useless government.